What do I need to create a Gantt chart in Monday.com?
To create a Gantt chart, you only need a few basics, tasks or project phases, and a start and end date for each one. Using a timeline column instead of separate date columns is considered best practice. It gives you far more flexibility when working with dependencies, durations, and baselines. Additional columns like status or dependencies aren't required, but they can make your Gantt chart much easier to read, manage, and maintain over time.
How do I add milestones to a Gantt chart?
Milestones highlight key turning points in your project or the completion of important phases. You can enable them in the timeline column settings by checking the Show, Set as Milestone option. Once enabled, reopen the date picker for any item and you'll see the Set as Milestone option at the bottom of the calendar, allowing you to mark that date as a milestone.
How can I visualize task dependencies on a Gantt chart?
Task connections are defined using a dependency column, where you first select the appropriate dependency mode. The preview animation in the settings window shows how each option works in practice, making it easy to understand the impact before applying it. After that, return to the board and define which items depend on one another. The default dependency type is Finish to Start. It doesn't display an icon, while end-of-stage milestones typically use Finish to Finish, which is shown with a dedicated icon.
How can I generate the Gantt chart now?
Your Gantt chart can be added as a board view or displayed in a dashboard widget, depending on how you want to use it.
How do I make my Gantt chart more readable?
To customize your Gantt chart, open View Settings and start with the Group by section, for example, Group Items by Board Groups. Then use the Label by option to display stage names directly on the timeline bars, so it's easy to understand what each bar represents. Next, apply Color by status to better visualize progress and quickly see what's on track or at risk. Finally, adjust the time scale and enable autofit to make sure the chart is well aligned, readable, and fits nicely on the page.
How can I keep track of changes when plans evolve?
To keep track of changes and plan more effectively, use baselines. Once the first version of your Gantt chart is ready, open View Settings, go to the Baseline section, and add a snapshot of the current state to create a reference point for future changes. When a baseline is enabled, the Color by option is automatically turned off. Instead of board-based colors, items are colored based on their progress relative to the baseline. On-time items appear in green, while late items appear in red. The baseline itself is shown as a gray shadow, exactly where the item was at the moment the snapshot was taken. You can create multiple baselines and choose which ones to display. There's also quick access to the baseline feature via the corresponding button in the View panel. Back on the board, you'll see additional system timeline and difference columns, one pair per baseline. Deleting these columns will also remove the corresponding baseline.
How can I identify all tasks that are critical to completing a project on time?
To highlight all tasks that are critical to completing your project on time, enable the built-in Critical Path feature in the Gantt View settings.
How do I keep my Gantt chart as a source of truth?
Add automations to help your team stay aligned with the original schedule and ensure your Gantt chart continues to reflect reality. For example, you can set up a simple but effective automation. When the timeline end date arrives, for example, one day before the deadline, and the status is not done, notify the owner. This type of automation helps discipline the process and keeps your Gantt chart a reliable source of truth. Either the status is updated and the timeline remains accurate, or the timeline is adjusted to reflect the current state of work. Both outcomes keep the plan honest and up to date.
How can I review my Gantt chart with customers outside Monday.com?
If you need an external collaboration tool, try Interactive Gantt Timeline, a dedicated collaboration layer for working with clients and stakeholders outside of Monday.com. Add it as a board view, generate a Gantt chart from your existing data, and share it via email or a link. Reviewers open an interactive Gantt chart where they can click on any timeline bar, suggest duration changes, and leave contextual comments. All feedback stays in one place, no scattered email threads, chat messages, or multiple exported PDF versions. This eliminates version confusion, shortens feedback loops, and reduces manual work needed to keep the timeline aligned. All suggestions appear instantly in the interactive Gantt timeline view and as item updates in Monday.com. Project managers are notified about new suggestions and comments in the updates feed. They can review multiple suggestions for the same item, preview how each option would impact the schedule, and approve one or reject them all. The board timeline is also updated automatically. Reviewers receive notifications in the guest view and via email as well.